Myntri rangba kejelau ukonrat ke sangma nangta usumbut Myntri rangba kejelau ba Presiden Tinsong Myntri keteran jang kai perthai ba Polingdo mentag singi kila Leit banjurip ya ke Iewduh kawe ne kiyo ke bahe tam ha kejela kani ke jingle jurip Myntri rangba harigat ki Myntri Sorkar kalong shibenta ba ke Sorkar ka penkre ban penitenat ban Pynbha ya kani kiyo badan kam ha kejela hakaba ke Sorkar kelada ban pelat pisang riu Klur tingka bat kan Pyllait sa khasan Klur tingka habakren begilap thai kbor Myntri rangba ke jelau loong ba ke jingtmu jong ke jingwan jengo jengki ya kani ke yo kalong ban pej ya ke jingdan kam bat kumno ban Pynbha ya kani ke yo ulong ru ba ke dan kam ban penyaj bha ya ki pait da ke basna da ke tendong penyaj nedak man su penyaj lingkrang ke bala pun wet pat ik paj ba bat ban Pynbha ru ikenala bat kiwe de ke jingdan kam ulong ba kani ke yo kade ke ba besaja ya palat silak ngot kibriu nalor dakilak kibayo jingmentoi na kani gayo ulong ba Sorkar kan penkre ya ka master plan halor kumno ban Pynbha Shuh ya kani gayo.
We start from here. After that, we use dance.
Good afternoon to everyone. Today, along with Deputy Chief Minister, Presiden Tinsong, and our Tourism Minister, Paul Lingdo, and the Hima and all the other officials of different departments, we had visited Iewduh market area, and the purpose of our visit was basically to look at the overall condition and what needs to be done and what improvement has to be brought in. As you're aware, we have already sanctioned and work for 6 crores is already going on, and different parts you will notice that the footpaths have been repaired, and it has been made into stone footpath to give it a natural look. So in that same line, we have now sanctioned close to 15 crores more, and for that also the tendering and the work, all the progress will happen, and next maybe a couple of months we should see the work for that also to start. And the main purpose is again to the pipes that are going along the footpaths, we will put them under duct, and then we will redo the entire footpath and will make it better. And also overall we will try to beautify the place. Of course, this will not be enough, but our objective today was to see what more can be done, and we realized that there's a lot of problem with water flow, with the nalas. So all of this is included in the second phase, which is the close to 15 crore project. But we realize that there is much more to be done, and therefore we are now going to prepare a master plan and see how we can bring overall improvement in Iewduh. We are very, very concerned about this because more than or close to about 1 lakh people, their livelihoods depend on Iewduh market area directly and indirectly. And therefore it is very important for us to ensure that we are able to maintain this and bring it up. And that's why we have come in a very big delegation. All the officials from urban, municipal, PHE, MECL, and all the other related departments are all here. And slowly and steadily, we will ensure that we improve this place. As I said, we cannot do it in overnight. Obviously, it's a large work, but the process has started, and I'm very happy. We got to meet the vendors, the farmers out here, the different shopkeepers. We interacted with them. We got very good suggestions from them, and thank God it rained also. So we really could see live what problems people actually face, and it made us realize that we really need to do a lot more in this area. So we're very happy, and it's a very good visit, and we want to assure the people of Iewduh, especially the shopkeepers and the Hima and all the other traditional heads, that we will do and work hand in hand with them to ensure that we are able to improve the overall Iewduh market.
So, Myntri, where's Myntri? He's going in front. Oh, there he is.
Nala is started from this side.
Yeah, this one, no?
This one. This is
I think let them all come. Where is Bodo's house? Hello.
Nala issue is started from this side.
You are done? Just tell her that we are going to make this nala.
Sir, what pay you kani ban snai kani kana kani ka plot dia. Mo.
But no, yeah, tell her that not that it will happen today, tomorrow.
Oh.
But
Kan
we are
bampor.
already sanctioned 14 crore.
Kabisa ada sanction Rio Kudo mensua mentala sanction sakatsan. Lawan Pyllait bar khoi kayo mo. Ang Pynbha. Khoi. Mentara kan sesna na kaliang jong state government mo. Sorkar jela kan sesna.
So this is the
This is the main issue.
this is the main problem.
That's
that's
why
why
sir, this is the main point.
Yeah. So this money that we're giving now, 15 crores, will at least to some extent.
Yes,
will help.
this pipeline sir, is the main problem. There is no nala. Instead of nala, pipeline is a. This is the one we have to do.
We have come to see that.
Here is the main.
This is the main problem. Everybody talking Iewduh, that is Iewduh. This is Iewduh.
This is your This is the one.
Come sir.